So it's been raining like all day. You see the basketball hoop? Yeah, it used to be like right up against the garage, and now it moved over, and the garbage lid is swept up. Anything else changed? No, as you can see, it's really windy out, and it's raining. I don't know if you can see the rain in the pool. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, I just wanted to make that video because it's been raining all day and it needs to stop, as you can see. Rain on my window. What do you mean nothing wrong with the rain? It makes the air clean.
Yeah.
Words from Ducky.
Ducky?
Ducky.
Ontario's Ducky?
Mallard. Miss Dr. Mallard. Yeah.
You still have a towel on your head?
Now I'm looking up to the new VP. Yeah, well. Okay. Peace.